Should I? Should you what, princess? Ah! Oh, sorry. I thought you were, you know. It's okay, it's okay. I've heard we have the same voice and stuff. And yeah, you should kinda hurry. I've heard he's planning on creating his own custom worlds today. I don't want to imagine what that's gonna be like, but... Oh crap, gotta go. Good luck, princess! Okay.